Good day, my subscribers. Good day, everyone. I'm here to teach us how to digitize on QGIS. So let's navigate to QGIS software. Okay, so we can see this is a new page. So first and foremost, let's know what we are digitizing. Okay, let's load the imagery of where we are to digitize. So we'll come to web, quick mark services, Google, and Google hybrid. So can you see? So you locate where you want to digitize. This is Nigeria now. So make sure you have a good network. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, it's Nigeria. Okay, let's pick one place in Lagos. My network is kind of bad tonight. Okay, Keja. Okay, now we can see the buildings are getting visible. Hey, very good. Now let's digitize. So to start digitizing, come to this icon at the top, this layer. Click on layer, then create layer, then you click on a new shapefile layer. We'll be digitizing using this new shapefile layer, so that you'll be able to. So that shapefile is very important because you can also import other software like Qgis. So the file name, you click on these three dots here. You can see where I'm highlighting these three dots, and it will navigate you to the folder you want to save the shapefile. So let's say I've created a folder before, so let me create one folder. Okay, so let's open it. Let's name the shapefile buildings. Okay, save. Then you come to your geometry type and highlight, and click on it and choose. If you are digitizing your buildings first, your bit up areas first, then you use polygon. If you are digitizing roads, then you use line string. If you are digitizing point data like electric poles, MTN mast, you use points. Is that clear? So let's click on polygon. Then after that, you change your projection to wherever it's suitable, wherever you want to use. So now I'm using UTM zone 31, WJ34. Then let's name this just building 2. Okay, then click on add to feed list. Can you see? Add to feed list, then okay, now can you see that it has popped up at the left side of the interface here? Then you click on it. Before starting the digitizing, you click on the building. So you come up here, you can see this pencil here, this pencil icon. You can see this pencil icon. You click on it. And after clicking on it, before you start, then you can see this polygon shape here. Or can you see? Just click on it. Then when you come here, it will bring out this sign. So that means you can start digitizing. So let's digitize this building now. Let's make sure you click all the edges back correctly. So, and if you know you made a mistake clicking one edge, you can just you can undo it by click on backspace. Can you see? Backspace, then it will undo what you did previously. Then you can just readjust. After that, you right click on it, you click on one. Okay, I think we did it wrongly. Click this side. Okay, right click on one. Then so if the building is having name, like let's assume this place is a storehouse, you can just name it storehouse. Okay, so can you see? So let's digitize one more. Let's come here, click this. Right click, ID 2. Let's assume this place is generator house. Okay, so can you see our two buildings is now ready? So let's go to that of the road. So come back to that same layer. Before going back there, make sure you save this your new building layer. Click on that pencil again, then to bring out, do you want to save changes to layers building, and click on yes. So it will automatically save your shape file inside that folder that you created the other time. So let's come back to Digitize road. Click on layer, the create layer as we did the other time, new shape file. This one navigated to take you back to that folder, so you can just name this road, then save, and change this to, instead of polygon we're using line because it is a road feature. Change this to it's road, then hard. Okay, so you come back, you see that it will show in this left side here, and click on the road, click on that same pencil, click on the other time pencil, but this time it's not bringing out polygon, it's bringing out line string. So you click on this line string here, then you can now start digitizing. So let's start from here. This road started here. Click on it, click on it, so right click, name it one, road ID, road. So you can just say name, you can name the road. Let's say for example the name of the road is Street Adini, or any street, just streets. What's that? Street Adini. So just click on OK. So you can see. So let's digitize one more building on for that side. So you can still come back to digitize building after digitizing road. Just come back and click the building here, the pencil, and then the polygon shape here, and you can digitize as much as possible. So as I said, if you know you made a mistake in picking the edge, you can just click on backspace to readjust the shape. Let's name this 3. Let's name this building, just name it anything, and the name of the building, if it is number or something, just name it, let's say bank. Okay, so now let's switch let's unclick the box of the Google hybrid. So can you see now? So you can change, let's click on this road, you can change the style of the road. Right click, properties, sorry, it's loading. Okay, properties, then you can just topo road, anyone you feel is okay for what you are doing. So let's choose this topo road. Okay, now can we see that it has changed? So thank you for watching to the end.